Okay, today we're going to get our fitness test data updated. So your tech teachers should have your new data, okay? And you're going to enter it into your columns right here and enter the new data in. We're also going to make a whole new sheet in our workbook by pressing the plus button. When you do that, then you get a new sheet. So I did that, and then I put my data in here for my planks, okay? So for sheet 1, we're going to want to select all of it. Remember how we do this? We go insert, chart, okay? And then it builds us a chart. Now, if you like this title, that's great, but I like my titles to be centered. So I would like them to be centered, and notice it needs a horizontal. No, it has horizontal, but it needs a vertical. It needs a vertical axis title. So you're going to go here, vertical axis title, and these are repetitions. Or you could write count if you wanted to, okay? And if you don't like the title here, you can just click in it. Or if you wanted to change it completely, you would click here and then just change it in here. Either way works. I kind of would rename it to fitness test data because technically that's what we've got here. So what we have then, I'm going to get rid of this little doohickey. Sorry. Okay, we've got that there. So we have our data. So you should be able to find your old data from previously done, or you're going to have to enter in a whole new spreadsheet. But please save it under fitness test data so that you can keep track of it in your Google Sheets, or your Google Drive, I should say. Now, to put it in your site, you're going to go to the 3 dots, publish chart, click embedded, and then publish. Then you're going to copy this link, Control V, open up to your Google site, and you're going to enter it into your PE section in your Google site. So let me check and see if I even have a PE section. Oof, I don't. So I'm going to have to, in this one, I'm going to have to add a page and call it PE. Sorry about that. I thought I had one in here. Okay. And now, you don't want to have anything clicked in your page that you're going to. And if you're not sure if anything's clicked, just click off to the side in this gray area so you know that there's nothing clicked. And then you need to insert embedded. Okay. You're going to click that in the embedded code one, and you're going to paste Control V, that link in there. Okay, that is the wrong link. Somehow that link didn't get copied. Control C, Control V. Now, anytime you change the information inside of that Google Sheet, that is going to update this graph automatically. So that's one of the nice things about publishing like that is it's going to talk directly to that sheet. So when you take your last test this year, you'll have a 3-bar graph after you insert the data in the 3rd column in your Google Sheet. At least that's what I think is going to happen. We'll find out when the time comes. Okay. Now I said you're going to open a new sheet down here and you're going to insert the information for planks. Okay. We're going to insert the information, insert, then go ahead and do chart, and you have a 2 chart here. But notice we have a whole bunch of dates over here. The dates should be really up here. So somehow I've done something wrong. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong here. But maybe if we just take and write planks here, maybe it will like that then. You know, one of the things I didn't think, maybe we can change these 2, and we can format them as the number as a date. Okay. And maybe then it won't think it's data. Okay. So then insert chart. Ooh, very good. Oh, but still has dates over here. So I'm gonna suggest trying this little trick. Ah, much better. Do you see how I undid this box, but then clicked this box? We need a horizontal axis that says time in seconds, though. So we're going to go to Customize, Charts and Title Axes, not horizontal, vertical axis, and then type in. Okay, and that gives you that, and that's exactly the way it should look. So then you're going to go here, Publish Chart, Embedded, Publish, Okay. Copy this link, Control C, and then make sure you're not clicked on anything or it will put it over the top of whatever you might have selected inside your web page. So if you're not sure, just click in the gray area out here, click embedded code, and then paste that code in here, insert. Again, you may have to change the size of this bad boy so that it is showing the entire data set. And that's all we have to do. Like, share, and subscribe.